Alright, first we will make the scene a little bigger so we can show you what I'm doing. Turn to white, background, turn to size, let's go 1,700, and make the camera the same. By 700. Alright, that should be good. Alright. So, not sure why this is like that, but anyway. Oh wait. 1,700. Alright, all good. So first we are going to make our actors. So, create an actor. This one will be the Mario one. The enemy, we will call it. Enemy. And then we are going to make the range actor. So when the enemy is in this specific range, it will shoot in that direction. Next, we will make the shoot actor. You need a separate actor that shoots compared to the actual piranha plant itself, because as the piranha spins around, it will mess up with the angle of where it's shooting at. So you'll see when we have separate actors like this. This one will be the piranha. Piranha. It's probably spelled wrong. But, whatever. And last will be the bullet, or the fireball itself, the bullet. Alright, so we got all that made. First we will make the enemy. So let's see. Let's drag him on. How about we do our attributes we need first. So first we'll do Boolean. We'll call this in range. So we're making this so whenever the actor is in the range of the piranha plant, it will turn and face it. And then we are going to make two real attributes. One is enemy X, and the other is enemy Y. Enemy Y. So this is the position where the enemy is at when he's in range, and the X position and the Y position. So, give me 1 second. Click. So we will start with we'll put them all on the screen. So we'll put the shoot. Oh wait, let's find where the enemy went. There he is. So let's make him blue so I can see him. Alright. So let's put the range in the middle. Make it 500 and 350. This number is important to remember. And make it 350 by 350. 350 and 500. 350. Alright, so that's that. We'll make it, let's make it a circle real quick. Let's add our images. Circle. So let's make it a circle, and color will be, let's put the alpha. Alpha is how faded it is. So if alpha is very low, oh my goodness. Color. Alpha is like 0.2. So see, you can still see the range, but it's not that in. And then we'll put this as a circle collision, so it puts it into circle instead of shooting when it's at the corners. So as a range, it would be a circle. So there is those two actors. Next we will put the shoot actor in. Make the shoot a little black square so we can see that differently too. Color, black. Make it doesn't matter what size it is, but I'm just making it small. And this will also have to be at the center of the screen. 500, 350. All right, that's good. 500, 350, good. All right, and then piranha plant, we'll go over that actor. Let's make it piranha plant. Make it whatever size. That looks fine. And is also at the center. 500 and 350. I don't know why it's not looking like the center, but it is. Alright. So, and the bullet. So the bullet will be, you don't drag that on because that will be shot out. So we'll make it 10 pixels by 10 pixels. And we'll make it orange like the fireballs. Okay, so first we will start with how to move this actor around. Alright, so we are in the enemy actor. So let's move it around by just drag it wherever we want to go. So in touch is pressed, touch is outside, inside. So it's just saying if any of these are happening, if it's pressed, touch is over here, if touch is there or there, it will do this. Let's see. Pressed. So change the position. Changes the position. Self position, which is him, to wherever the mouse position is. Mouse position X. Cool. Alright. And do the same for Y. Enemy position Y to mouse position Y. Cool. Alright, so let's see. See, he only goes when he clicks. So we have to loop this so it happens forever. So loop. The looping means it will always be running. You can also, instead of doing change attribute, you could have done constrain attribute because that's an automatic loop. But you'll see. Now that's being looped. It goes wherever my mouse is because it's always running. Alright, so that's good. So there's that. There's how you move it. Move. Close that. Next we will we'll say when he's in range. So rule when collision, actor with type range. So this is when he is in this range right here. To change attribute in range to true. And when he's not in the range, we're going to change it to false. So it's not shooting at it when he's out of it. All right. So we're going to do another loop here. So this loop will make sure that this position, when he's in range, will always be where he's shooting it, no matter what. So, well, position are valid, max frame 20. You can change this, whatever, but attribute when he is in range. So when it is in range is true. Change attribute. Enemy X as whatever position he's at. So this is just setting the scene. All right, so that should be good for that. So what we're doing is we figured out how to move, and then when it goes in range, it will set in range, and then it will always set the position where the guy is shooting at. So that's good for him. Next, let's try the range. I don't think we need anything in the range. Range, we don't need anything as long as it is, all we had to do is change it to a circle and change the fade. So we're good with that. So the shoot actor is a little black one in the middle of the screen. Little black shoot, good. All right. So let's see what this one needs. So let's make it, you want it to always shoot. So we'll say every half second, run to completion, spawn actor bullet. So that means every 5 seconds it's gonna shoot, or every 0.5 seconds it's gonna shoot. And this 0, 0 relative to actor means it's right in the center of where this actor is located. So it might be all I need for this one. Yeah, that's all you need for the shoot. So piranha itself. Let's see what the piranha needs. Oh no, let's see where the bullet goes. So all right. So this is where it gets a little complicated. So we need for it to follow whatever position Mario is at. So we're gonna do numeric expression, yeah. Numeric expression. So if, let's see, function absolute value self position x minus 500, because the center of the x center is 500. That's good there. Is less than 5. So let me do this quick, then I'll explain. Less than Translate. Self position y minus 350. All right. 350 is the center of the y. So if you go back to wherever this bullet is, or wherever the shoot thing is, it's 500 and 350. That's the center, and that's where you want your bullet to come from. So what I'm saying here is if the position of the bullet is less than 5 pixels away from the center, you do this, because if we don't do this, it will always go towards Mario. So it would shoot out here, and then like when it's out here, it'll come back and keep going. But it will only make it change position if it's just being spawned. So for the direction, due to trigonometry and math and all that stuff, not sure how far you got through math, but you have to divide it into quarters. So this is quarter 1, this is quarter 2, this is quarter 3, and this is quarter 4. And we are going to use tangents. And in math, tangent is opposite over adjacent. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff, but just trust me on that. You'll learn it. But so we're gonna make a bunch of different rules. This is gonna be Q1, so that is the top right one, top right Q1. All right, and so if attribute game enemy X is greater than 500. So if Mario X position is greater than 500 over here, and it's in range, shoot bullet greater than 500, and now we're gonna do enemy Y. Oh wait, enemy Y is greater than 350. So that's saying if it is greater than 500, which means it's on this half, and it's greater than 350, so that means it's in this quarter 1. All right. You're going to change velocity in the direction of, let's see, now here's where the math comes in. Relative to actor's good. Speed 300. All right, functions. Atan, that means angle whose tangent is the size of the opposite angle. Opposite is, or the size of the opposite side of that triangle, which is trigonometry, minus 350. 350 is the center, the position, center position where it's shooting, over adjacent X minus 500, I think. That sounds good. Let's check it. Relative actor. Okay. That should be good for quarter 1. That's good. So let's copy this 4 times because 4 quarters. Q2, Q3, Q4. So for it to be quarter 2, it would be less than 500, but still up. So that's good there. For Q3, it'll be down and down, so it'll be negative and less than. And for Q4, it would be positive x down y. So positive there and less than here. All right, so for Q2, gonna have to do some math here, but let's see what I did. So I tested it all out and did calculations and stuff, but I need 180 degrees, I guess because it's on the other side, and this is negative right here. So 180 and negative. Let's check. Negative, good. All right, Q2's done. Remember, you can always change these speeds right here. So if you wanted to shoot slower or faster, you can. Or you can make this just a variable over here. So you can just change it here, put the variable in here. So then it always just changes it there. So Q2's done. Q3. Let's see what I have. Q3. I got 270 minus. I just looked at my calculations. I had to play around with the numbers to get it exact. 270 minus 18 positive. So that was good. And then this one is, I think it is 270 plus. Oh wait, 270 minus. 270 plus negative. All right. So let's see how that works. It's always shooting. Let's see, I get close, get in range, and it follows me, shoots. And I get out of range, and it's good. Oh, something's messed up here. Oh. Something's messed up in quarter 4 over here. Quarter 4 and quarter 3. See, it goes opposite. But 1 and 2 are good. Let's see if I put it in wrong. Quarter 3 and 4. Less than and less than. X over Y. Oh, okay. I need to switch the X and the Y. Because since it's on the bottom, X here over game enemy Y minus 350. So you switch it since it's on the bottom now. Copy that. See. Oh, crap. Enemy X over game enemy Y minus 350. See that? Double control C. C. Alright, that should be good. This is the same thing, negative. So be negative Alright, let's check it. Always shooting. Get in range. He's following, that's good. Following still in quarter 4. And in quarter 3, so that's all good. It's always shooting. Alright, so next, I guess that's good for the bullet. You can change the speed or anything. And now you want to actually have this piranha turn and look at it. So we're going to do the same thing here. Copy this rule, but just a little differently. Copy, piranha, paste. Alright, so let's put a loop here. That means when you loop it, that means it will always be running, so always rotate. Loop up here. We need all the quarters again. We're 2, we're 3, we're 4. Alright, looping and quarter. So now we are changing the angle. So all we're just doing is changing the angle now. So change attribute piranha rotation to whatever this is. So copy and paste. Delete. Good. One done. Change attribute. Rotation. Copy. Paste. And delete. Change attribute. Rotation. Copy. Paste. And delete. And one more. Change attribute. Rotation. Copy. Good. Delete. Now it should work. Hopefully. Alright, so it is shooting where, or it's rotated where it's shooting, so that's a good sign. And it's following it around. So that worked. Wherever he is in range, it is shooting. But he's out. It doesn't do anything. He's in. I believe that's what you want. And good luck, and let me know if there's any questions.